Gypsy
Sharpening.
This is our blade man. Best one in Texas.
Cover. Work.
He comes right to you.
Here we are. If my truck was clean, we'd get in it and I'd show you what it looked like in there. But it's not.
That's okay, we'll follow him anyways, because we're nosy. And this is where the magic begins. You see him getting...
Magic begins here. Just a minute, let me turn the lights on. Air conditioner's on.
This is a mobile store, isn't it? He's getting prepared to sharpen 50 blades today. Well, we'll see you in a couple hours.
All right.
Thank you.
I'll have fun.
And he is...
Rich Kenny, Corfa Sharpening, LLC, based in the state of Texas. You know it?